Hey, this is Chase Taylor, the author, illustrator, and creator of the Letter Critters book series. I just wanted to announce that I just launched my new book, The Letter Critters Workbook, on Amazon. The Letter Critters Workbook is a fun and educational way for kids to read new words. On each page, there is a scene with a letter critter and some words that are associated with an image on them. There's also a capital and lowercase picture on the top left corner of my pages. For example, on case page, there is a kangaroo, kite, key, kazoo, and kitten. Also, on the back, there is a bonus Did You Know section where you can find some fun facts about some of the images on screen. For example, did you know that kangaroos, koalas, and kiwis are all animals found in Australia? It's true. So, the Letter Critters Workbook will be a fun and educational way for your kids. And I hope you order them for your kids. In addition, I also just relaunched my Letter Critters flashcards with the addition of the new characters called Digit Mice, and they are mice that represent numbers 0 to 9. Feel free to check them out on www.thelettercritters.com, and I hope you enjoy my new merchandise. Thank you.